Yo, what is up guys? Welcome to today's video, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can sign out of the Zoom app, and this will work on both Android and iOS. So what you want to do when you're logged into the mobile app of Zoom, you want to click on settings at the bottom right, and then you're presented with this page. Now at the top of the page it has some of your information. Now straight out the gate there isn't a log out button. What you have to do is tap on where it says your name, so you tap on that and then you have to scroll all the way down to the bottom and then it says sign out. You tap on sign out and then it says do you want to log out, and you say yes. And now you are logged out of the Zoom mobile app. So guys, I hope you got some value out of this video, and if you did, smash that like button and consider subscribing, because I'm uploading how-to videos about social media and technology every single day. So with that being said, I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Peace guys.